on YouTube and Instagram AI face videos. Don't miss this AI hack, avoid being left behind. Are you tired of the same old video production techniques and looking for something fresh and innovative? Look no further. Introducing the Viral Faces AI Review, your one-stop solution for unlimited AI-generated face videos that will revolutionize your content creation process. Hello friends, I am Andrew and we will see the review of Viral Faces AI, Unlimited AI Face Video Creator. In the fast-paced world of social media marketing, the Unlimited AI Face Video Creator promises to be a game-changer. With its innovative approach, this cutting-edge tool empowers marketers and content creators to craft captivating videos that effortlessly grab the audience's attention. By leveraging the power of AI technology, users can create emotionally engaging face videos without the need for advanced video editing skills. Whether it's YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, this versatile tool offers seamless integration and a powerful editor to customize videos to perfection. With its ability to drive organic traffic and boost sales, the Unlimited AI Face Video Creator is a valuable asset for anyone seeking online success. Imagine having the ability to feature famous faces in your videos with just a click. Thanks to the Viral Faces AI Review, it's now possible. Whether you want an actor, an athlete, or a musician to be the highlight of your video, this software has got you covered. Simply input a photo of the desired person, and watch as the AI magically generates a video of their face flawlessly lip-syncing to any audio track you choose. It's like having a virtual clone at your disposal. Viral Faces AI is an innovative tool that aims to revolutionize the way marketers and content creators engage with their audience on social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Using cutting-edge AI technology, Viral Faces AI allows users to create captivating and attention-grabbing face videos in any niche, enabling them to speak their message effectively and attract tons of traffic and sales. One of the things that sets the Viral Faces AI Review apart is its ability to unleash your creativity. With this tool in your arsenal, you have the power to create mind-blowing videos that captivate your audience's attention and leave them wanting more. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner in the world of video production, this user-friendly software ensures that you can effortlessly create stunning content that stands out from the crowd. Benefits and advantages of Viral Faces AI. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market. YouTube and Instagram favors shorts and reel videos and send you free traffic. Be ahead of the AI game and monetize that. Get tons of traffic and sales in any niche, any language. Save hours and hours of time and effort. No editing skills, budget or experience required. Fully scalable and repeatable. Get results in minutes, not days or weeks. Suitable for complete newbies and experienced marketers alike. Free updates in forever. 24/7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Integration and connectivity. Personalization is key in creating captivating content, and the Viral Faces AI Review understands that. This groundbreaking software offers an extensive array of customization options that will enable you to create videos that truly stand out. Want to change the facial expressions? No problem. With a few clicks, you can manipulate the expressions to perfectly convey the emotions you desire. Add text and graphics to enhance your message further. Plus, the software provides complete control over the overall look and feel of your videos. Compared to other video creation tools, Viral Faces AI stands out with its AI-powered face videos, first-mover advantage, and emphasis on short-format content. While other tools may offer diverse features, Viral Faces AI's focus on attention-grabbing face videos sets it apart from the competition. Viral Faces AI is a game-changer for marketers and content creators seeking an effective way to boost their online presence, attract more traffic, and generate higher sales. Its intuitive interface, first-mover advantage, and AI-powered features make it a powerful tool for anyone looking to make their mark in the competitive world of social media marketing. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, business owner, or simply looking for stress-free and easy traffic, Viral Faces AI could be the perfect choice to take your online ventures to new heights. After watching the review of Viral Face AI, if you know more about it, visit the official website only. Thank you for watching.